Okay, we are going to start section 3.9 real quick here. So we're going to start out with a bunch of ways of taking derivatives. So first they're going to tell us derivative of b to the x, that will equal natural log of b multiplied by b to the x. This only holds for b is greater than 0. So I'll take a look at a quick example. And we just want to differentiate. So part A gives us f of x equals 4 to the 3x. In part B, they want us to differentiate f of x equals 5 to the x squared. So on both of these, the chain rule is going to apply. 4 to the x is the outer function on the first. So we want to differentiate it and leave the inner part, the 3 to the x, alone. So we'll have natural log of 4 to the 3x. And then we multiply it by the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So for the first one, we get 3 natural log of 4 times 4 to the 3x. For the second one, 5 to the x is the outer function, so we're going to take the derivative of it, which will be natural log of 5, times 5 to the, we leave the inner part, which is the x squared, left alone. Then we multiply by the inner derivative, which is the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. And I'm just going to rewrite it, and that gets us our answer there. So we're kind of using the chain rule, which is from 3.7, in order to get that derivative to go through. Next, we got a couple other derivatives. So we got d dx of natural log of x is 1 over x. And again, this is for x is positive. You can't take natural log of an x that's 0 or negative. So they want us to, for this example, find the derivative of y equals x natural log of x. And then they want us to do the same thing for y equals natural log of x, whole thing squared. So on these, we got to figure out what's the outer function, and then we're going to apply the chain rule. So the outer function will stay left alone, and then we multiply by the derivative of the inner function. For this first one, we're going to actually use a product rule because we have an x times the natural log of x. So there's two things multiplied together. So we're going to leave the x alone. We'll take the derivative of natural log of x, which my equation tells me is 1 over x. Plus, now we leave the natural log of x alone, and we take the derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. Get that times natural log of x. And x times a 1 over x just is 1. Plus a 1 times the natural log of x is natural log of x. For part B, x squared is the outer function, the square here. So we're going to take the derivative of that. So the 2 will come down. We'll leave the natural log apart alone. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then we multiply by the derivative of natural log, which is 1 over x. If we want to algebraically clean this up, we could get 2 natural log of x over x.